we're going to hear from another one of our Laravel partners. So please put your hands together for Mike from Curotec.
So my name is Mike, the VP of Technology at Curotec. And I'd like to spend the next 5 minutes talking to you about what it takes to migrate your Laravel application to Laravel Cloud with zero downtime. Cloud migrations are hard. I've been through a couple in my career, and they are not easy. There are a dozen moving parts, 100 ways for things to go wrong, and 100 ways to drop a request. One small caveat is that since I don't have much time today, I will assume that we are dealing with a one-to-one migration. So no application updates, no runtime upgrades, and no database engine changes, which is great because you shouldn't be doing any of those in the first place during a migration. So those moving parts, they fall into 3 general buckets. Data, so databases, object storage, anything that needs to be moved, not recreated. The application, so the app itself, as well as anything that supports it, such as sessions, queues, jobs, cache, so on. These are rebuilt in the new environment, not moved. And traffic. These are the live requests that your app is serving. These are redirected, not moved. So data migrations typically take the longest, so the earlier you start, the better. So first off, stand up an RDS instance in a new Amazon account that's connected to Laravel Private Cloud. Configure replication between your primary and your new replica. And in short order, you'll have a live, up-to-date version of that database. Next is to make the app boring. Not that boring, but it should be stateless, and it should, it should be prepared for the migration. So first off, cache. Create a fresh Valkey store per environment. These cold caches will warm up while you're testing and while you, while the users first join the new app. Queues, start workers on the new stack pointed at the same queue. It's the same code, which means that they should be draining the jobs alongside the old workers. You'll also prepare the new managed queue in Laravel Cloud to be ready to accept new messages once the migration is cut over. In the app, deploy it quietly. The cloud builds the image, you keep it stateless, and it's a good idea to point it to the replica. That way you are doing actual testing against the live data and not testing data. The one gotcha here is sessions. So if you are already using database sessions, this doesn't apply to you. But if you're using Valkey or any other engine for sessions, you have a chance for the users to get logged out once you migrate over. So let's pretend you're using the Redis driver. Since your new stack has a fresh store, the session IDs don't exist yet, so you're going to get them logged out right at cutover. So the fix here is a custom session driver where you check the new store. If it fails, you fall back to the old one and you write to the new one. You can keep this, you can put this into the new, or the old application rather, and let it live for 1 session lifetime or longer, but at that point, all the sessions should migrate over to the new store. Here's the fun part. This is the flip that you can undo. So depending on your application, your traffic patterns, you might want to do a weighted DNS transfer, canary style. But depending on the traffic and such, it could be easier just to do a quick 100% cutover and then have a well-defined rollback plan back. So you cut your DNS over to the new app, which is now reading and writing to the old primary, replicating to the new replica. And the old app is still warm, just in case you need to cut back over to it. Same code, shouldn't be a problem. This is the point of no return. This is where we actually switch over to the new database. So DNS is pointing to the new app already. Everything looks good. Your metrics all look great. You will then point your database to point to the new replica, and you'll sever the replication. At that point, that old database is going to be drifted from your old data, and you're on Laravel Cloud. So to recap, we replicate the data into database. We make the app boring. We deploy it quietly. We silently migrate the sessions as users browse. We cut the traffic over to the new app, and then we commit by promoting the replica to the primary. 5 minutes is not enough to talk about all this, so please let's chat in depth. Come visit us at our booth. We're over in the sponsor hall. There's a webinar on August 20th. Please sign up for that, where I'll be talking about this for half an hour. And if you want some piece recommendations from a Boston native, come on down. I have plenty of them. Thank you.